Good evening, everyone. I was in the class 9th actually, so I couldn't join in time.
Good evening.
Yes, how many of you done? How many of you are done with your exam? How many of you just gave your exam yesterday?
Yes.
Me, sir.
Sorry?
I gave sir
Raise
yes.
your hands. Raise your hands. Okay. What about Yogesh?
I have submitted.
Yeah, raise your hand. Those who have submitted the paper, raise your hands. Anudeep?
So Sunday's paper, right?
Yeah.
Oh yes, sir. I've done it. I'm raising.
Yeah. Yes, good evening, guys. I'll be correcting your paper and giving you by tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Next class, we'll be having a extra class. Okay, I'll be taking an extra class in the next session. So now, as of now, so I didn't correct your papers. Amrita, did you write the test?
Yes, sir.
What about others? Oh, Shira, Yogesh, Anjit. Yeah. So Steve, what about you, Steve?
So what, sir? I joined.
Sorry, have you wrote the test?
Yes, sir. I have submitted.
Okay. So with Anudeep, Udbhav, and Yogesh, 6 members. So probably I'll correct it today itself and submit you. No problem. I'll just upload here itself. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me. Today, what shall we go with? Yesterday, I mean, in last class, what we were doing? We were going with statistics, right? Shall we continue with that, or we'll go with a quiz?
So we'll do quiz.
Quiz on what? Quiz on what? Shut up, you was asking for some one topic, right? What was the topic?
Can you repeat it?
No, you was asking me to just have a discussion on one topic. What was the topic? Statistics only, right?
Yes, sir. Statistics, when we're given group data with class interval and
Yeah.
frequency, how do you find the mode, median, and mean? Three of them.
Okay. So that is what we were discussing the question in the last class, right? Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall we continue that, or we'll write a quiz? Anything is fine. Guys, it is up to you. Come on, make it fast.
Sure, sir.
What shall we do?
Question solving.
Questions on
That's my opinion.
Yeah, fine, no problem.
Okay, we'll do questions, sir.
Chalo then. Class interval, when you have given class interval, finding mean and all, right?
Yes, sir. Class interval and frequency.
Okay. Class interval and frequency. Dekho, I'll be giving you the value of, I'll be asking you to find the value of P. Basic, we'll start with a small questions. First, this is a class interval given, this is a frequency table given, okay? So let me write, class interval here, frequency here, okay? So class interval is given that 8, 12, 15, P, 20, 25, 30, okay? F value, frequency value is 96, 192, 300, 24. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 second, I'm giving wrong. Frequency values are 12 and 16. Okay, 20, 24, 16, 8, 4. This is a frequency table given. Okay, he's asking us to
Sir,
find.
you're not sharing your screen.
Oh my God, 1 second. My God, I'm sorry. This is what the question. Okay, this is what they given. Find the value of P for the following distribution whose mean is 16. We need to find out value of P whose mean is 16.6. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is what the thing given. So we need to find out mean given, find the value of P. What is the formula for mean? How do you find out basically? And let us not solve the entire question. Let me just give me an idea. I'll tell you whether it's correct or not.
Sir, sir, as here f and x is given, we can use the direct formula. Sigma fi by sigma fi.
Sigma,
and sigma is the sum.
xi divided by sigma, yeah, n value. N value is not sigma, yes. Huh. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, sigma fi by sigma fi.
Yeah, that is nothing but n only. You understand my point?
Okay, it's also called n.
Yeah, sigma fi. You can use it, no problem. Yeah, tell me. So first sigma fi xi you need to find out. Add all that. Isn't it? That's what you have to do. That's what you have to do. Find out the p-value. That is what the unknown thing is. How many of you know this concept to find out, guys?
I know this, sir.
Very simple, guys. If you know that, we'll not waste much time on this. Very simple. This is very simple.
The total of fi xi by total of frequency, right?
Right. Total frequency is what? How much? 28, 48. 28, 48. So 72, 72. So total you have 100 here. This is 100, right? N value is 100, which n value is nothing. Sum of all fi's is what? N value, which is nothing but summation of fi. Okay, summation of fi, summation of sigma fi. Sigma fi is nothing but summation of fi. So adding all the multiplying this 96, 1 almost 92, 300, 24p, 32, 25 8s, 200, 120. Add all this, you will get something called how much? 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 8 8. So 12 1, so 1228 plus this 24. I didn't add this, so plus 24p. Okay, this is what you get. Am I correct? Yes. So now summation of all this, what? 1228 plus 24p divided by sigma. This is mean value given how much? 16.6. Equate that, you will get a p value. Hope everyone does that. Hope everyone do this. Okay, next.
Yes.
This is what given. Okay, next. What are the, I mean, 1 second, guys. I think we have, let us go with statistics. What are the deleted topics? What are the topics deleted? Tushar is joining now. Statistics and probability. Classical definition of probability is simple. 10th standard term 2 here. That is the mean. Look at this, guys, here. Mean, median, mode of grouped data by model situation to be avoided. Model situation to be avoided. Mean by direct method and assumed mean method only. This is what your syllabus. Isn't it, guys?
Yes, sir.
10th standard syllabus only, right? 10th standard. 10th standard only. Dekho. Guys, look at this here. Mean, median, mode, everyone will find out. Very easy. Of grouped data. Grouped data is nothing but what? देखो क्लास इंटरवल, जो भी क्लास इंटरवल लेता है, that is grouped data. Ungrouped data is what? Nothing but what? जो भी random number. Am I clear? Yes.
Yes.
So mean
Yes,
by
sir.
direct method and assumed mean method. What do you mean by direct method? What do you mean by assumed mean method?
So direct method is the one we just did now. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi.
Exactly. What is assumed mean method?
Sir, DI, some DI is there, I think.
Yes, sir. It's something like a plus fi di, something like that.
And DI is xi minus A. And A is any frequency in that fi. Selected frequency.
Yes.
Is it right?
Guys, look at it. Yeah, 1 second. Mean by direct method means the method which we have solved now. And assumed mean method, it lasts you for so many steps. Okay, I'll just give the questions so that आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. एक मिनट. Let me give the question. Yes. You'll be having a class interval. Okay, just let me give. Okay, देखो. Find the arithmetic mean of the given. ये class interval है, ठीक है? xi. Take 100 to 120 and 120 to 140 and 140 to 160. 180, 182, 200 frequency दिया है. 20, 30, 15, 8. Okay, this is what he has given. Find by assumed mean method. How can you solve assumed mean method formula? How many have you remembered? Mean method. देखो x bar is equal to, you write a plus sigma fi di divided by, how many have you remembered? Sigma fi. Clear? Can you please everyone? Yes, solve this everyone. What is A value here? What is A value? What is A value? What is A here? Hello?
Sir, is it 30?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Is it 30?
No, no, no. I know, I mean, I'm asking you that. I'm asking that how you are just identifying that is a 30. So you are taking the highest frequency. That one.
Yes, sir. In mode, we take the highest frequency, right? So I assume that would be.
What is F5 denotes here? A is assumed mean. You are right. A is assumed mean. What is F5 denotes?
The frequency.
Frequency of the ith class. Okay. Huh. And what is the DI denotes here? DA. Deviation.
Oh yeah. Di equal to xi minus a.
So whenever you have this type of class interval, something like this, so we should take what middle value. What is the middle value? So what is the middle value here?
30.
I mean middle value of the representative particular class. For a class, for a class of what? 100 to 120. Class, for suppose if I take this beta, if I take this class, so middle value means 110 I'll be taking. You understand my point? Middle value means not
Yes.
this middle value. One is इसमें middle value class में. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
What is the class representative of this? The frequency given, what is the class? आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? What value you take here? You have to take middle values as representative class representatives. That gives you xi here. ठीक है? Whenever you given class intervals like this, you have to take middle values as xi. आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? I hope you have solved this type of problems, but if you not solve, then I'll just teach you, no problem. देखो here fi है ना, so this is xi. This is class interval, not xi. This is class interval.
So the middle value will be for 100 and 120. It is 101. Yeah, 110. Yeah.
150 here, 170 here, 190 here. ऐसा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
This is my xi, this is my fi. ठीक है? अभी solve करो. Now solve it. If you don't understand, still I'll tell you. ठीक है? ये मेरा टेबल बन गया. ठीक है? This is what he has given. This is what he has given. I need to find out xi. That is what representative. Whenever you have this, classes something like this, then you have to find out x value like that. Okay. What is assumed mean here? Assumed mean here is, as you told, that highest frequency. What is your name? Shut up told. 150 मैंने ले लिया. ठीक है? Assumed mean क्या होता है इधर? 150. What is a value? 150. So what? See here, we can write di denotes what is the di here? Deviation, right? Am I correct? Di is nothing but deviation. How do you find out d1? Deviations of different class. एक एक class को एक एक deviation होता है. Every class will be having different deviation values. What is the d1? क्या करना है मुझे? Middle value minus assumed value. समझ में आ
So
रहा है?
minus 40.
110 minus 150, which gives me minus 40. See, for d1 deviation, देखो name, in that name itself it is there. So middle value minus a value. आ रहा है समझ में? xi minus a. समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है? What is the frequency of this?
Yes.
What is the frequency given? So for this, what would you get? D2. What is D2? 130 minus 150 minus 20. What is D3?
0.
150 minus 150, which gives you 0. देखो D4. 170 minus 150, 20. ठीक है? What is D5? 190 minus 150, 40. ठीक है? इधर जो भी आएगा मगर सिंबल चेंज होगा बस. Whatever you get here, you will get the same thing, but symbol change. Okay, that is what to observe here. Okay, yes. This is my DI values. Now आपको क्या करना है, फाइनल टेबल बनाना है, ठीक है. You have to make a final table here. How the final table is going to be? Let me just copy this table as it is and just extend the table. Okay, ठीक है. अब मैं extend करूँगा table को. Look at this. How can we solve this? 1 second. The question. Yes. Let me extend this table. So xi got, fi got, deviation find out करना है मुझे. Deviation kind of what are the di values I got? You need to write here. Whatever the di you got, you need to write there. ठीक है. हाँ, मुझे क्या, what is the form? What was the formula? fi di, right? fi di. di तो मुझे fi di करना है इधर बस. assumed mean method ready. देखो di, what was the di? d1 minus 40 minus 20 0
Indian
40. देखो fi di तो how much it is?
minus
हाँ, write it like that. fi di तो minus 400 तो minus 400 30 minus 400 0 300 3200 300 here 32 0. Clear? हाँ. Now summation of all, I need denominator or summation of all fi as well, right? Summation of fi how much? 30 60 75
83.
I think in the question he has given, I'm sorry, he has given 5 here. 5 here. 888. ऐसा odd number कभी भी नहीं आएगा बेटा. देखो क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ना. Okay. Okay, I wrote somewhat here and there. So that is why the table you should write in a table. आपको थोड़ा like you should write in the table like this. थोड़ा clarity रहेगा. I am writing a plain paper. It will be somewhat. ठीक है. Make a table like this. It will be easy for you. What if I तो
Sir, we have to change the 320.
Okay, then 320 नहीं होगा इधर. कितना होगा? 200 होगा. ठीक है. Summation of all this. fi di how much? 800 is 500 तो 300 minus 300.
300.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
800 में से 300 घटाना बस. All right, minus 300. Am I correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. It is very simple actually. Okay, this is what you got. And so what was the formula for finding a plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi x bar is equal. What was a value? Assumed mean 150. This is my a value. ठीक है. This is equal a value. ठीक है. तो 150 minus how much? This one 300 divided by 80. इसको कैलकुलेट करो. x bar is equal to 15 8 how much? 120 00 minus 300. Am I correct? Or else you just आपको कैलकुलेट करना है तो सिंपल बनाओ इधर. So how much you get? 150 minus 8 ones 8 fours 8 twos 8 threes 24 24 6 3.75. Am I correct? X value you get as 146.25.
6.25. Yeah.
समझा? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my mean here. ठीक है. This is my mean, finding mean of this class interval by using assumed mean method. Very simple. कोई इधर see all you have to know is what is a here. Finding the highest frequency उसका जो भी xi होता है, that is my a here. What? How do you find out xi? For this value, taking middle values are xi. That is what my class
And
represents.
a is any value in that xi.
You take highest value, that would be better. Yeah, any value you take, but you know, you take highest value. वो तो that would
Then 150 is not the highest, right, sir?
be... No. Either taking respective value of highest frequency. You understand my point?
Okay, highest frequency is respected value. Okay. I understood.
So I'm writing this as A value. This is my corresponding one. Okay, 30 is the highest frequency, so I'm taking that as A value. Okay, hope it is clear. A is what here? Assumed mean. Okay. So let us assume the mean. I mean, you can assume it as 150, or else you can take anything, no problem. But still, you take 150. It is in middle, right? So it will be balanced. It is easy for you to calculate as well. Okay, that's how we can just go for. Shall we go for the? Understood, guys? Shall we go for one more question?
Yes.
Are you guys okay with this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay, if you want me to write, individually, I can write here. ठीक है, आपको मैंने आपको ऐसा भी लिख के बता देता हूँ. A is nothing but what here? Assumed mean. No one should, everyone should write here. Assumed mean. Whenever you are representing, when you are just putting your answer in the paper, everyone write the formula and you just write this, so that exam paper you all better thinks that yes, he knows everything. So frequency of the ith class. Frequency of the ith class.
Sir,
What is di here? Just a minute. Xi minus assumed, deviation. Okay. What is the deviation of the, deviation of the ith class? Okay. Yes. These are the what?
sir,
Yes. Tell me.
the statistics questions, they usually come as how many marks, sir? Table is
yeah.
all.
Yeah, for highest marks only. Like for you might have seen your sample question paper, right? They have released. Have you seen?
No, sir, I'm not clearly. I haven't seen it yet.
How many have you seen, guys?
Sir, I've seen it, but I haven't attempted it yet.
No, what is the marking scheme? 4 marks is the you have 4 marks question, right? You get asked 4 mark question from the statistics. You understood?
And 5 markers will come from proof only theorems and proofs.
See here, आपको from from the school said.
Sir, we're getting even 2 marks questions and 3 marks questions from statistics with the table given. Yes, sir. 2 and 3 mark question in the sample paper.
Yeah, 2 and 3 given, right?
Yes.
So you will not see, that was when you have 100 marks. Here the exam has been split in 2 ways, right? This year. So for your seniors and all, they had 100 paper marks. So your mathematics standard, right? Not basic, right?
Yes, sir. Standard.
Yes, the standard.
So, and then you can just let me just present you once. Let me present you once. You will get it, that idea. ठीक है, I'll just आपको मैंने present भी कर दूंगा इधर. Let me just write आपको, you will get an idea. See, basically total 2 marks question, 3 marks question, and 4 marks question. ठीक है, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. I'm just expecting that you can get either 3 marks under 3 marks section or 4 marks section. This is a probability. So you'll be having total how many? 3 sections. ठीक है, section A 6 questions. कितना? 6 questions. Each how many? 2 marks. ठीक है, 6 questions, 2 marks. 6 questions, each 2 marks. ठीक है, section B will be having 4 questions, each 3 marks. Each 3 marks. Section C will be having total 4 questions, each 4 marks. देखो इधर 6 12 टोटल मार्क्स कितना? 12 होगा इधर कितना होगा? 12, इधर कितना होगा? 16. तो कितना बचा इधर? How much you get? So 4 10 40, so 40 marks. ठीक है, this is how your paper pattern would be. All right, so total 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks question मिलेंगे आपको. अच्छे से, if you are a wise student, I am sure you will get to see definitely 3 marks question. I'm sure. Max 95% you will get 3 marks question. If at all आपका कोई worst case होगा तो वो 4 marks का आ जाएगा. 4 marks में तो I think you will get कोई भी prove करने के लिए, या नहीं तो सर्किल का क्वेश्चन बना दो कोई भी. हाँ, जो भी ज्योमेट्री का पार्ट है ना, लेकिन फ्रॉम द ज्योमेट्री यू माइट गेट लेकिन 4 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन कोई प्रूफ है डाल, ठीक है. मगर लेकिन वो 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन तो सिंपल, लेकिन वो छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, वो छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन. मगर statistics I feel like 3 marks is 90%, but 4 marks there are less chances, but 3 marks question ही मिलेगा आपको. 3 marks in section B only you get to see the statistics question. समझ में आ रहा है? Anudeep, I just clear your this thing. Is it clear? And guys, you'll be having in section 3 itself will be having case study as well. Case study questions also will be there. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So total 2 case studies. So total 2 case studies you'll be having. So each one gives you 4 marks. Okay, 2 case studies. Getting my point? It will be very easy. So make sure that you guys are just going with that. All right. Clear? Any doubts? You can say this is sample question paper of class 10 pattern. Term 2 pattern. This is what. Okay. Hope it is clear. Any doubt? So you don't have the 5 marks, 6 marks question. Anudeep, got it? I think Anudeep is not here. Anudeep has left the meeting. Anudeep, are you here?
Yes, sir.
You just got disconnected. See, this is
Yes,
how the
sir.
pattern of your term 2 subjective test would be.
Okay,
and,
okay.
and see here, you will not be having pass, fail. You will not be having percentage of your marks of term 1. Your total percentage will be decided after declaring this term 2 result. Okay, samjha? So there will
Yes,
not
sir.
be, even you get less percentage, even you get less marks in term 1, you can cover up in term 2 actually. Still you have chance to get 40 out of 40, and just make sure that you are getting above 99%, 98% in maths. Okay? Even you lose like couple of marks in term 1, still you have a chance to get 40 out of 40 in term 2, and make sure that your percentage is becoming very good, a reasonable percentage. Reasonable,
Okay.
solid percentage. You get 99%, 98%. Okay? Getting my point? I
Yes,
hope
sir.
everyone is aware of this. Am I right? Guys, how many of you know this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir. I know.
Very good. Chalo, next question. Shall we go for the next question?
Okay, sir.
I'll just give you a simple question. This is what you have, not more than that, See, you have class here and you have frequency here. Okay, and what is the class given? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 32, 40, 40 to 50. Frequency is given 12, 28, 32, 25, and 13. This was the frequency given here. Now find out the mean of this by using assumed mean method. Find the mean. Guys, look at this here. I told, right, xi. Whenever you have xi को क्या करना है? Whenever this plus this, up lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that gives you xi. x2 कैसा देगा आपको? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2, basically. That is how mid value is nothing but what? Average is mid value, right? देखो इसका average 5, इसका क्या 15. Am I clear? समझ में आ रहा है? This middle value is what? 5 here, 15 here, 25 here, 35 here, 45 here. That's what you got to write. Am I clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Tell me the answer within like as soon as possible you tell me. Don't write, don't draw the table and don't decorate it. Calculate it roughly and tell me the answer quickly. I'm gonna just see who's gonna give the first answer. Quick. Only just 2 minutes of time. Let's see. 2 minutes means 2 minutes. Make sure. Take it as a challenge. Come on.
Sir, I'm getting 31.9.
31.9. No.
Yes. Okay.
Somewhere you made a mistake. Check it out once.
Yes. Sir.
Sir, I'm getting 24.91.
Yes, you are right.
Sir, you stop sharing.
Yeah, I'll be sharing you now. Just a minute. Yeah, how many
Yes.
of you got the answer? Got the answer? Everyone? Guys, what's the answer? Did you check your answer? Shut up.
I'm reattempting.
Reattempting it. 35, 45 here. And Fi, what is Di? Basically, you take your A values. What is your A value is going to be here? A value is going to be 25. Am I correct? So 25. So Di I am writing here. So Di is nothing but xi minus a. Okay, xi minus a. Xi, this is my a value. So 5 minus 25, am I correct? So minus 20, minus 10, 0, 20, 10 and 20. di and xn कितना होगा? minus 100. Sorry, fi di, fi di, fi fi di, fi di. So minus 240, minus 280, 0, 250, 260, ठीक है, तो ये मुझे ही मिल जाएगा. What is a value? So x bar is equal to a. What is a here? 25 plus ये कितना मिलेगा? How much you got this? So am I correct?
Yes, sir. I got
minus
20.
minus 10. Am I right? Minus 10, right? Minus 10 divided by ये कितना मिलेगा? So 30, 24, 40, 110. 110. How many of you got this? X bar is equal to 25 minus 10 by 110. तो मुझे कितना मिलेगा देखो अभी. So 11, 25, 11 into 25, how much? 275. Am I correct? 250. 275 minus 1 divided by 11. So 274 divided by 11. 11 ones, 11 twos, 20 plus you will get. 11 twos, 22, 54. 54 मतलब 11 fours, 10, so 11, so 24.9 of course. Clear? Am I clear, guys? Any doubts? This is what your syllabus shut up. They won't ask more than this. Clear, shut up?
Yes, sir.
This is how the assumed mean method concept, and this is how we will solve. Okay. Okay.
Sir, can you show your solution?
Yeah. Fine.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
110 you get here, 110. If you add all this. Okay. So next question. I'll just give you questions. You have to solve it. Okay. So shall I give the question? Take it as homework, not now. Take it as homework. Okay. Assumed mean method. By using assumed mean method, you have to find out mean. Okay. Number of scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket. So runs scored and number of batsmen. Number of batsmen. So 3000. So like let me write 3K to 4K. Yeah. Like I don't want to write 3 to 4K. It's nothing but 3000 to 4000. Okay. Hope it is clear. Sai, isn't it?
Yes.
So I'm writing a shorter. Please try to understand that. Usually while writing, don't write 3K, 4K, please in exam. Okay. Hello. Don't write in exam 3K, 4K. Why? Let me write it normally, please. 3000 to 4000. 4000 to 5000. It takes bit time, so that is the reason I wanted to write 6000, 6000 to 7000. Okay. 7 to 8000, 8000 to 9000. So 9000 to 10,000. So 10,000 to 11,000. Okay. Number of batsmen कितना है मेरे पास? 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. ठीक है. So these are the list. This is the table given. You have to find out the mean. And mean is nothing but what basically? What's the mean? What do you mean by mean? Average. Can लो average. देखो सबका average find out करना है मुझे. ठीक है. Okay. This is how you have to just go about that question. So 10,000 से 11,000. So this is what, find out the mean. ठीक है, find the mean by assumed mean method. ठीक है, anything else apart from this? Shut up, tell me. Hope we solved all the problems which were given from your syllabus.
Sir, in the table,
हाँ, mean, median, mode of grouped data. Okay, mean by direct method. So mean by direct method assumed mean method to find mean, mode, median, mode. Shall we solve median? Mean, mode, median. Yes, tell me.
sir, in this table, which one should we take as A? Because the highest value is second one. The middle value, we don't have it because there's an even number of observations.
Where? Acha, here you're talking about. See, basically, the middle value you take number of, you take no problem. Middle value is highest frequency. What is the frequency is going to be 18, right? इसका corresponding जो भी आया middle value, that is going to be your value. ठीक है, you can assume that A value. Getting my point? See here. One second. आपने क्या लिया था? A value in the last question. What is A value I took? 25, right? Why? Because it was highest frequency. I was taking, I took corresponding xi value of that particular frequency. इसमें frequency कौन सा ज़्यादा है? देखो, what is which one is of frequency is going to be 18, right? उसमें mid value, I mean उसका mid value is what? 4,500. Am I correct? That is going to be your A value. उसमें क्या है? Am I right? Yes. Take it as A value. ठीक है? Solve it. Tell me the answer tomorrow. Next class. Okay, people.
Okay, sir.
Next, what type of question will solve? Shut up.
Your choice, sir. Anything.
No, from statistics only. I mean, you tell me. What do you call that? You tell me your choice so that we can go. Shall we go with the mean, median, mode of the class intervals? I mean, mean we have solved. Median, mode we
Sir?
have. Median we
Or
have.
we have learned the mean, so we can do a quiz on mean. Only mean.
Only mean, I don't think so. We can find out quiz. Actually, we have to create a question paper. I don't think so we'll find, but let's still we'll try. No problem. No, actually, median का formula क्या बताया था मैंने? Guys, you know, you got a sometimes like you will get to ask. See, by mean का formula क्या है? Summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. This what method? By using what method? A plus summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. These are the two formulas which we have to use for finding mean. And median का formula क्या है? Median L plus n by 2 minus f naught divided by f into h. ठीक है? How many of you know this? What is L here? Where L is equal क्या है? Lower interval of the median class. Lower interval of the median class. What is n क्या है इधर? Summation of all frequencies. Just now I told, right? Madhya, what is your name? Anudeep. F naught is what? It is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of preceding cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Median class. What is F? Frequency of the median class. What is H here? Height of the class. height of the, guys, are you able to understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I think a meeting got ended up. That's what it is. See, this is the median formula. Mode का formula क्या होता है? Mode का formula क्या होता है? What is the mode formula? Tell me mode. Hello. Very simple. See here, this and this will be same. The only thing will change here is what? L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Same thing. Where L is equal to lower interval or lower interval of model class. Okay, what is F0? F0 is what? Frequency of preceding model class. So F1 is equal to frequency of model class, not preceding, just model class. What is F2? Frequency of succeeding model class. What is height? H is height of the class interval. Height of class interval.
Sir, you'll explain all these in the next class, right?
I'll explain. I mean, haven't you solved these questions? No problem. I'll just give a question. We'll solve it. No problem. ठीक है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Shall we solve a question, guys? I'll give the, see, sometimes he'll give only one question. From the question itself, देखो, Anudeep, from the question itself, from the single question itself, he might be asking you to find out the mean of mean by direct method and mean by assumed mean method. ये direct method हो गया. What is this method? Direct method only, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Mean by direct method हो गया. ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा mean by assumed method. ठीक है. So sometimes he will ask you by using this method or this method. एक question, एक table लेके, he'll give one table and he might ask you to find the mean by either by this method or this method. And if he's asking this method, then he will ask either median or mode. अगर आपको देखो, if he's asking this one, he'll ask you either median or mode. कोई भी ऐसा combination देता है. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? If getting my point, people, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes, like, if he's asking you to find out mean by using this method, and he'll ask you to find out mode as well, median as well. ऐसा भी देता है. ठीक हो? I'll just solve the question. आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है? I'll just give you one question here. ठीक है? So find the, देखो question देखो. Everyone try this question. Find the mean. ओहो, क्या हो रहा है भाई? देखो. Find the mean, median and mode of the following data. Mode of the following data. ठीक है? देखो, इधर class he has given, frequency has given. Class है 0 से 10, 10 से 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. ठीक है? This is what the class you have. Frequency is 5, 10, 18, 30, 20, 12 and 5. This is how the class. Okay, is it clear? Next week, I mean next class, I'll be starting with a new topic. Again, let us not stay in the same topic here. Okay, it is boring, right? So this is boring in the sense, like, it is enough. I'm just giving the concept. We can't solve all questions here. Rest of the questions you have to solve it. Concept I'm just delivering you here. Fine. It's a revision. Fine, guys. Now, how can you find out mean by direct method and assumed mean method? Hello. See, you have to find out mean by using that method. You understood, right? guys? Hello, are you here or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Sometimes you're not responding. I thought meeting got it. Okay, so we didn't solve mode, right? Mean you have to find out. देखो, first I'm finding mean value. Mean is what? Homework. Next I'm finding mode or median. Let us find out median first. Median formula क्या था? L plus n by 2 minus f naught divided by 1 second. To h. ठीक है? So therefore, what is the n value here? Guys, you need, for finding this one, you need cumulative frequency. ठीक है? आपको cumulative frequency चाहिए. इधर देखो, for class interval fi frequency, cumulative frequency. Guys, are you able to understand or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please frequency, cumulative frequency, please. देखो क्या हो रहा है, एक मिनट, 1 second guys. Cumulative frequency. So see, I started a bit late, right? So let me take like 5 more minutes extra, no problem. Is it fine, right?
Yes or no?
10 to 20, 20, 22, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. ठीक है? This is what we write here. Fi is what is given? 5, 10, 18, 30, 20, 12 and 5. This is what cumulative frequency. मतलब देखो, इसको ऐड करते जाना है. देखो 5 plus 10, 15. Again 5, this 5 plus 10, 15, right? Again 15 plus 18, how much? 15 plus 18 कितना मिलेगा? 33, right? 33 plus 30, 63, 63, 83, 83, 95, 95 plus 500. ठीक है? This is what cumulative frequency. देखो cumulative frequency देखो, then summation of fi is what? What is summation of fi here? Of course, here n or summation of fi gives you what? If I add all this, giving me what? 100. Am I clear? Summation of all this gives you 100 only, beta. If you calculate, इसे check कर लो एक बार. Hello, getting my point?
Yes, sir. Understood.
ठीक है? Cumulative frequency. देखो मुझे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? n by 2. What is n value here? What is n value? N is nothing but 100. N by 2 is nothing but 50. हाँ. So मुझे first find out n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 100 divided by 2, which gives you 50. ठीक है? 50. See, 50 lies in the class interval of what? Where 50 lies here? You understand my point? बेटा
Sir,
50
is
कहाँ
it
है?
40 to 50 or 50 to 60?
देखो 50 कहाँ है? 50 देखो. See, frequency lies in the class of what? Which class? 50 lies in the class of 30. Where is the 30 here? देखो इधर. I mean nearest you can take a look at this, in the class of this one. So 30. So what I'm taking here nearest value, you take a look at this. So what is the then what is the median of the class? ये होगा मेरा median. So median is what? Then median class is equal to what? 30 to 40 is median class. ठीक है? हाँ. Now look at this. Lower limit, ये जो भी है ना, lower limit, that is gives me L value. Am I correct? Okay, people, understood or not? L value is 30.
Yes.
N value I have, which is 100. What is F naught? F naught was, what is F naught? What is F naught? F naught होता है बेटा, देखो इसका preceding, जो भी preceding है ना, ये preceding, I mean preceding cumulative frequency, जो भी select हमने, I selected this class right now. I selected this class. F naught is the preceding one. This is preceding मतलब आगे वाला F naught. हाँ, ठीक है? हाँ. हाँ. Now what is F here? What is F here? This one frequency. ये होगा मेरे F. ठीक है? F वैल्यू आया बेटा समझ में? कोई
Yes.
डाउट? हाँ. Height is what here? Of course 10, height of the class. F naught is gives me 33 here, and F was how much? 20, 30, sorry, 30, and height was 10. Now everything substitute, that's it. सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद जस्ट क्या करना है आपको, बस सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद कैलकुलेट करना है बस, एफ नॉट डिवाइडेड बाई एच, सॉरी एफ इंटू एच, ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज एल वैल्यू हियर? एल वैल्यू इज व्हाट इज एल वैल्यू? लोअर 30 प्लस n by 2 50 माइनस एफ नॉट 33 डिवाइडेड बाई 30 इंटू 10, ठीक है. कैलकुलेट कर लो. 30 प्लस हाउ मच? 17 डिवाइडेड बाई 30 इंटू 10, ठीक है. तो 10 1 10 3, तो 30 प्लस 17 by 3, so 90 plus 17 by 3, or else you will 90 plus not calculate, just 3 ones 3 5s, am I correct? 3 5s, so 2 3 6 6 20, so 27 something, so 35 point kitna 67, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This is my median. This is how you have to calculate the median for the given question. ठीक है, ठीक है. So for finding mode, it is pretty easier than this. So for see, so median is somewhat like, I feel median is somewhat like, lengthier than finding mode actually. Why? Because yeah, in fact, if in fact it looks very big formula, but it is very easy actually. Okay, calculating mode is homework. Calculating mean and mode is homework. I just calculated median here. You have to find out mode here. Okay, clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Hope it is clear. Yes, you have to be patient while solving this. Ayyo. Okay, Amrita, you left the meeting. Why? Amrita, you got disconnected in between. Amrita, you got disconnected in between. Why? Amrita, are you here?
Yes, sir.
You got disconnected. Okay, no problem. I just found the median here. Finding mean and mode is homework. So everyone find that and solve related sums. We'll go for the next topic in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,